Before you make your next motherboard purchase, there are some surprising downsides to the GIGABYTE Z890 AORUS Master that you might want to consider. Stick around to find out more. The GIGABYTE AORUS Master is designed for enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance and features. Its sleek, modern aesthetic features a black PCB with subtle RGB accents, offering a premium look that complements high-end builds. The ATX form factor ensures compatibility with a wide range of cases, making it a versatile choice for various setups. One of its standout features is its robust power delivery system, boasting a digital twin 18+1+2 phase VRM solution. This design ensures stable power delivery, which is crucial for overclocking and maintaining system stability under heavy loads. Additionally, the board supports DDR5 memory modules with speeds up to 9500 MTS, catering to users who demand high-speed memory performance. Storage options are plentiful, with 5 M.2 slots including 2 PCIe 5.0x4 slots, providing ample room for high-speed NVMe SSDs. The inclusion of dual Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports offer versatile connectivity options, supporting high-speed data transfers and display outputs. Networking capabilities are top-notch, featuring a 10GB eLAN port for ultra-fast wired connections and Wi-Fi 7 support for cutting-edge wireless performance. The audio subsystem, powered by the Realtek ALC1220 codec and ESS Sabre Hi-Fi 9118 DAC, delivers high-fidelity sound, enhancing the overall multimedia experience. Priced at approximately $600, the GIGABYTE AORUS Master positions itself in the premium segment of the motherboard market. Considering its extensive feature set and high-quality components, it offers good value for money for users seeking a high-performance platform. If you're interested in the latest deals, check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: higher price point compared to mid-range options. Lacks high output 60-watt power delivery charging. Audio solution is based on a previous generation flagship codec. Pros: supports ultra-fast DDR5 memory speeds up to 9500 MTS. Ample USB connectivity with 14 ports, including dual Thunderbolt 4. Robust power delivery system suitable for overclocking. Advanced networking features with 10GB eLAN and Wi-Fi 7. User-friendly design with toolless installation features. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest offers. Also, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions.